Dear student, I am starting your lecture number 9 on a binary arithmetic for unsigned binary number. For unsigned binary numbers. The computer is a digital system. Computer is a digital system which perform the arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. To know the digital circuit for such kind of the operation, we must know the binary addition, binary subtraction, binary division and binary multiplication. Today we are discussing the binary arithmetic for unsigned binary number. There is a different kind of the law for a signed binary number if you want to do the binary arithmetic. Today we are discussing for unsigned binary number. In lecture numbers 8 we have discussed signed binary number. How to represent the signed binary number by first complement, two's complement, sign magnitude representation method. So let us start the topic about the binary arithmetic. First I am discussing binary addition. First I am discussing binary addition. The laws of the binary addition is similar to the decimal number system. Means the addition of the binary number is similar to the addition of the two decimal number. The addition of the binary number, one bit binary number, I am showing you like this. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1, remember 10. This is actually we have to speak 1 0, don't say 10. But generally we used to speak 1 plus 1, the sum is 0 and carry is 1. So if you see the table for the, see this is your A, this is your A and this is your bit B. So I am showing you in this way A, B, sum and carry. This is your sum and this is your carry. See 0 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is also 0. This is 1 plus 0, it is sum is 1 and carry is 0. 0, 1, 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Sum is 1, carry is 1. So this is called rule of a addition of the binary bit A and B. Binary bit A and B. So you have to remember this table. It's very simple table. The addition of the binary number is similar exactly the addition of the decimal number. Here I am showing you addition of the bit A and B. Addition of bit A and B. This is a rule for the 2-bit addition of the 2-bit A and B. Suppose you are having a more than 1 bit, then what is the way to do? Suppose I want to do the 11 plus 1 means 1 1 plus 1. So it is nothing but the 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1. Carry is 1. As you are doing the same thing in a decimal number. 1 plus 1, 0, carry is 1. So your answer is 100. Again I am showing you. Suppose somebody is telling you, you want to do the addition of the 11 plus 1 means 1 1 plus 1. So you have to start your addition from the left hand side. 1 plus 1, you know it is what? 0. And carry is 1. So I am doing the carry as you are doing the same thing in a decimal number. So 1 plus 1, 0. Carry is 1. Suppose somebody is telling you like this, you want to do the addition of in this way. Second, suppose someone say, I want to do addition of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 101. So look here, what is your 1 plus 1? It is your 1 plus 1 is, sum is 0, carry is 1. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is what? Sum is 0 and carry is 1. 1 plus 1, it is your 1 0. So 10 plus 1 is 11, remember. So 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So carry is 1. So 1 plus 1, 0. Carry is 1. Again, suppose you are having a such kind of the, do the addition of the 1 1 1 1 plus 101. What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry is 1. What is 1 plus 1? 0. Carry is 1. Now look here. How much digit? 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 1 is your 10 and 10 you add the one more. So it is your, you can say, you are adding here one more. So it is 1. Okay, and this is carry is what coming here. So 1 plus 1, 0, carry is 1. In this way you can do the binary addition. You can do the binary addition. I think you understand how to perform the binary addition. You have to start the performing the addition from the left hand side. Carry you have to write on the another bit, means bit on the right hand, next bit on the right hand side. And in this way you have to proceed. Please remember this, what I have shown here. Remember this data, and 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 plus 1 is 10, 11 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 0, carry is 1. So you can perform the any numerical. Let us perform the two addition, two numerical. See here the questions we have written already. It is there. We have written here questions. For example, find the binary addition of the following binary number. See, remember we are doing this addition for unsigned binary number. Look here, 1 plus 1, you know it is 0, carries 1. 1 plus 1, it is 0 and carries 1. Sum is 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carries 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carries 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carries 1. So 1 plus 0, you already know that it is 1. This is your 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carries 1. So it is your addition of this is your 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carries 1. So carry I have to write here. So my answer is 101 011 000. You can check. 1 plus 1, 0. Sum is 0, carries 1. 1 carry and this. Sum is 0 and carries 1. This is again 0 and carries 1. So you can solve in this way. Now let us do the second numerical. Again 1 plus 1, you can say sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carries 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carries 1. 1 0 0, it is your 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carries 1. 1 plus 1, 10, just now we have done. Plus 1, so 11 and carries 1. 1 plus 0, this is your 1, this is your 1. So your answer is 11101 0, 0. Look here, again here. 1 plus 1, 0. And sum is 0 and carries 1. 1 plus 1, it is 0, carries 1. 1 plus 1, 0, sum is 0 and carries 1. So it is 1. 1 plus 1, 0 and carries 1. Look here, I have done the addition of 1 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Look here. We have done 10 plus 1 is 11. So this is your sum and this is your carry. So that we have done here. So 1 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. From the 1 is sum and carry is 1. We have written like this. So in this way you can do the binary addition of a unsigned binary number. I think it is clear. If you do for your work, you can write, do yourself 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Do yourself. This is you have to do for your practice. Okay, now let us go for the binary subtraction. Second, we are discussing binary subtraction. The subtraction of the binary number is similar or is the same exactly the subtraction of a decimal number. I am showing you subtraction of a 2-bit A and B. This is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. So 0 minus 1, it is your minus 1. This indicates that the second number is greater than the first number. 1 minus 1 is 0. Remember one more thing, 10 minus 1 is equal to 1. 10 minus 1 is 1. Here, as you are taking the borrow from the previous in a decimal number system, similarly you can write here borrow and difference. Look here, I am showing you the rules for the 2-bit A and B for the binary subtraction. I am showing you like this. This is your A, B, difference, and you have taken borrow from the previous one. This is your 0, 0, difference is 0, borrow is 0. You have not taken borrow. This is 1, this is 0. What the difference between these two? 1. You have taken any borrow? No. So I am writing 0. 0 minus 1. 0 minus B, you are doing A minus B. Remember, you are writing for A minus B, you are doing. For A minus B. So, A minus B means difference is 1, but you have to take the borrow. You have to take the borrow. 1 minus 1. Difference is 0 and borrow is 0. So, this you will remember for adder and subtractor circuit, the addition and difference, binary subtraction, binary addition and binary subtraction table you should remember for your further study. This is your very simple. You can say, look here, A minus B, 0 minus 0, difference is 0, borrow is 0, you are not taking any borrow. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, what is the difference? 1. And what the borrow? 0. 0 minus 1, what the difference between these two? 1. But to subtract you have taken is what? 1 from the previous, means the next of right hand side of the next one. So this is a borrow. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 0. I think you understand this table. Please remember this in your mind. Okay. Now let us do some problems. We will get the idea how to do the subtraction. Now let us see some simple subtraction. You will get the more idea. Suppose I am doing the subtraction of 111 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Suppose someone says I want to do subtraction of 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Suppose one say I have 10 minus 1. So already 1, because reverse 1 plus 1 is 10. Now suppose someone say I want to do the subtraction of this 1, 2, 3, 4. For your understanding I am writing 1, 0, 1, 0. This is your 1, 0. This is your 1. This is 0 and 1. Look here, I am doing like this. So you have to, when this is only, I have discussed only 2 bit. Now you are having means 2 bit having only one binary number. Now you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 binary numbers. How to do the subtraction? Subtraction start from the left hand side. 0 minus 1. So borrow you have to take. So I am taking this is 0, this is 10, this is your 1. This is 0. This is 0, 10. 10 minus 1, 1, 0, 0. So in this way you have to do the subtraction. From you are taking the borrow from the what? This previous bit. So once you take the borrow, it is to be cut. You have to put the 0. 10 is what? Taken on this side. So 10 minus 1 is 1, 0. Like this you have to do the subtraction. I think you understand. Let us do some problem based on this. We'll do some problem based on this. We'll get for more clarity. See, binary subtraction we are doing here. Same law. 1 minus 1, it is your 0. You cannot do the what? Subtraction of 0 minus 1. So I will take the borrow from the next bit. So I am taking the borrow. As you are taking the borrow in a decimal number. 10 minus 1, you know it is 1. 0. This 0. 1, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 and 0. I think you get the clarity in this. Now look here. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now look here. Here you cannot take the borrow from this. You cannot take the borrow from this. You cannot take the borrow from this. From this bit. So I have to take the borrow from this bit. So from this bit I am taking, as you are doing in your decimal number system, I am doing 10 minus 1, it is your 1. 1 minus 1, 0. This is 1. Now again 0 minus 1 cannot be done. So it is 0, borrow is 10, 10 minus 1, 1. I cannot take the borrow here. See for this. So I can take the 0, this is 1, this is 10. 10 minus 1 is 1 and 1. So my answer for this is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Your answer is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Look again here for this problem. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I cannot take any for to subtract 0 minus 1, I cannot take borrow from this. So I have to go up to this. Once I take the borrow from here, the 0, this should be Then 1, 1 and 10. This is important. 10 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Now again here 0 is there. 0 minus 1 I cannot do. So I have taken borrow from this. So 0 and taken the word 10. So 10 minus 1 is again 1. Now 10 minus, this is from this 0 minus 1 I cannot do. So what I have taken? From this I have taken borrow. 0, 1, 10. So 10 minus 1 is 1. 1. This 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. So I am getting 1 years. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. You can say, and 0 like this. So for your more getting the idea, I am showing you smaller number so you will get the idea. 1 0 0 0. So somebody is starting like this. 1 0 1. Do the subtraction. So what I am doing? This is 0. This is 1, 1 and 10. Remember. So 10 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is my answer. Answer is 0 0 1 1. I think you understand how to do. For your practice, I am giving you some problem. 4. This is your 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Do the subtraction of this. Second, 5th, 0 1. This is your 1 0. This is your 1. Do the subtraction of this. Do this subtraction. So in this way you can do the subtraction. Now let us go for the binary multiplication. Binary multiplication. Binary multiplication is similar to the decimal multiplication. Let us see the one numerical, so you will get the idea. 1010 multiplied by this. So what you want to do? So it's very simple. Already you have done, you have studied in your previous standard. Here 1, 2, 3. So I am putting the 30. I am starting from RHS. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. And this is 1. So I have to start from this side. I am starting from this side. So this 3 I am putting your, this is your 0. Now next 0. So I am putting your 0, it is 0. 0, it is 0. Now let us go for this. So 1 0 1 0. So 0, this is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. If you do not do the mistake, you put like this, so you get the idea. Now let us, simple way, 101 multiplied by, this is 101. First two digit I am putting here 0, keep a space, 1 multiply by this 101, second 0, for second you can write 0 0 0 0, for this I am putting 0 and this 0, for 1 1 not 1, so this is 1 0 0 0, 1 plus 1 is 10, 0 and carry is 1, 1 plus this is your 1, this is your 1. So this answer is 11001. Here this is your answer. I think you understand. It's very simple, as this is a similar way as you have done in your decimal number system. Now let us again, we can give anything you can write 10 10 11 multiply by 1001. Only you have to take the care about the how to do. This is I am giving 1 2 3 0 for this. Now for this multiply this I can write 1 1 1 0 1 0 1, means very simple. Now 0 0, no need to write for 0 0, start for this one. So this is 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. So do the addition now. If you do the addition, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is your 0 and carries 1, 1 plus 1 0 and carries 1, 1 plus 1 0 carries 1, 1 plus 1 0 carries 1, this is 1. This is your answer. I think you understand. It's a very simple, you can say, your numerical. Let us do first practice if you want to do. Already you have put years, you can. This is, I think, you have to do yourself. Okay, it's very simple. If you want to do I can do this. Rest of things you have to do yourself. Let us perform for this, you can say. For this I am showing you what is this multiplications. 1 1 0 triple 1 multiply by 1 1 triple 0 1. See 1 2 3 4 5. So I am writing 5 here. 1 2 3 4 5. Then 1 multiply this, so entire you can write this way. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Then this multiply this, so I have written as it is, you know this. Now 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Again I can write 11 0 1 1 1. No need to write for this, no need to write. Otherwise you will be confused more. So last I can write this is 1 1 1 0 1 1. Now this is your do the addition. 1 1 1 0. Remember this is 1 plus 1 is 0. Here is very good. 1 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 plus 1 100. See, 1 plus 1 it is 10. Now 10 plus 1 11. Plus 11 plus 1 is 0. This is what? 1 plus 1 0. Carry your written 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. So here, look here. 1 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 100. 0 and carry is 10. Your carry is 10. Look here. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. It is your 11. 11 plus 1. It is your 100. 0 and carry is 10. 10 plus 1. 11. 1. 0. 1. 1 plus 1. 10. 1. So this is your answer. Look again. Look again. 0, 0, 1. 1. 1. Yes, 0 is left. 0 is left. 1 plus 1, 0. Carries 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 100. 0 and 10. If from this 100, this is you are writing here. Okay. And carries 10. Carries 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 100. From this 100, 0 you are writing, carries 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 1, 0. 1 plus 1 is very simple. So you can do. This is your very good problem. Now, let us give the one more for your practice. You can do at your home. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, you can do. This is your number, problem number 6. Do yourself. I think you can do this. This is what you have to do yourself. Now let us go for the binary, you can say division. I am discussing binary division now. Let us start the binary division. The binary division is similar to the decimal division. Let us see the with a simple division. This is 100 divided by 10 means this is 100 divided by this. So you can write this is 10. Now this is you taken it down. So I will write here 0. So this is your, you can say, quotient, and this is your remainder. So I am doing the subtraction like this, by division in this way. This is your 1 0, I am taking down. This is your again 10, so it is 0. Now I will take this as down. So this is your quotient, and this is your remainder. Let us see some more for practice, more numerical for practice. Let us do one by one so you get your answer. So I am doing first this. First I am doing, this is your 1100, 1 1, don't say 1100, 1 1 0 0, this is, so I can write, this is 0 0, now this is taken down, so it is 0, this is also taken down, so you can write 0. Now, second I am going to do 1 1 1 1 divided by 11, 11, this is your 0 0. I cannot, yes, I can, I take it down. This is not possible, so I am putting the 0 here, and this is what taken down. So this is 1, this is your 11, 0, 0. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder. Now let us go for the third one. This is your 110,111 divided by 11. Means divided by 11 multiply 11, this is your 0, 0. Take it down, so I have to put the 0 here. If you take it down, I put the 0 here. If you take down, so this is 11, so I am writing 0, and this is your, I am taking 1, so I am putting 0. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. 100 this is, I can write, this is like 100, 0, 0, 0. I am taking 1 down, putting 0, 1 down, it is putting 0, 0 down, so 1 into 100. You are doing similar to the in your decimal number system. Now this is, I am taking down, so it is 1, it is 100. Now I am taking, this is your down, so I am writing 1. So this is my quotient and this is your my remainder. If I am taking down, I am putting 0. You do the more practice for this. Look. Look, I am discussing the again problem number 3 and 4. See, 110, 111 divided by 11, divided by 11. 11, similar way as you did in a decimal. This is multiply 1, you will get 11 here. So 1 minus 1, 0. This is I have taken down. Once you take the downs, you have to put the 0 because this 0 cannot be divided by 11. Then I am taking 1 down. So here is again I put the 0 because 0, 1 cannot be divided by 11. Then I am taking what 1. Yes, this can be divided by. So I have put the 2 0 for taking this 2 down. Then 11. This is your 1s are 0. Now I am taking this is 1 down. So you are not dividing. So I am putting here 0. This is quotient and remainder. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. Look here. For 100,110,11 divided by 100, this multiply 1 is 100, 0, 0, 0. Now you are taking 1 down here, see 1 down. So I cannot divide this 1 by this, so I am putting 0. Again this 1, so I cannot divide 11 by this, so putting 0. Now I am taking, this is your 0 down, so this can be divided, so I am putting 1. Now I am taking down 1. This can be divided, so I am putting here 1. Now again I am taking down. Say once this once I am taking down, I am not doing any division, so I have put the 0. So in this way you can solve the problem of a binary division. Now this problem, which problem are left? Problem are left 1, 2, 3, we have done 4. 5, 6, 7. This I am putting on a for your practice. 5, 6 and 7 is you to do yourself. Okay, and I may put in your Moodle Viva questions paper. You do these 5, 6, 7 in your way. Here is your end of the lecture. Thank you.